तो अभी हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड पीस बिल्डिंग सिक्स्थ सेम का जो पेपर था उसकी आंसर की। इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, पीसफुल रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज कंडीशनड बाय द सी पार्ट वाइडली एक्सेप्टेड mechanisms from dispute resolution. Question number second, peace results from D part all of the above. Question number third, a concept that conceives of peace as something more than the absence of war is A part positive peace. Question number four, the violence that result from the discriminatory social practices and institutions is called CWAT structural violence. Question number 5, the conflict among individual members of a group is called B part intra-group conflict. Question number 6, the process of controlling the immediate consequences of conflict is called A part conflict management. Question number 7, the conflict resolution involves D part all of the above. Question number 8, social conflict can result from D part all of the above. Question number 9, which of the following factors can make conflict more intractable? D part both A and C. Question number 10, peace education aims at C part both A and B. Question number 11, patriarchy refers to A part male dominance. Question number 12, democracies ensure political peace through D part all of the above. Question number 13, conflict transformation is about C part both A and B. Question number 14, which of the following is an example of ideological conflict? A part Cold War. Question number 16, women empowerment is directed at D part all of the above. Question number 17, which of the following is the political means of controlling abusive political power? D part all of the above. Question number 18, Ghanaian concept of struggle is based upon D part all of the above. Question number 19, social peace can result from D part all of the above. Question number 20, which of the following is vital for peaceful polity? D part both A and B. Question number 21, the process of resolving interstate conflicts through informal means is called as D part both A and B. Question number 22, which of the following is a mean of international peace? D part all of the above. Question number 23, which article of Indian Constitution protects fundamental rights? A part article 32 शायद. Question number 24, which of the following rights is issued to protect personal freedom? A part habeas corpus. Question number 25, under which article is public interest legislation filed in the High Court of India? B part article 226. Question number 26, conflict resolution generally involves C part both A and B. Question number 27, which of the following is the means of conflict resolution in India? D part all of the above. United Nations Charter enshrines international peace through D part both A and C. Question number 29, which of the following article of Indian Constitution articulates international peace? A part article 51. Question number 30, when is the UN International Day of Peace observed? A part 21 September.